In this video, I will tell you how to add the symbols or emojis in Gmail. For that, the process is very simple. Just open up your Gmail account, and once you're in it, go to the send option or just click on the compose option. So once you click on the compose option, you will have this interface right here. So simply on the two options, just simply write in the email that where you want to send it to. For example, I'm gonna send the email to this particular Gmail. And once I have added a recipient, I'm just going to add a subject, testing email. And then over here in the body, what I'm going to do, I'm going to press window plus colon key right here. And this menu will pop up. As you guys can see that it contains emojis, symbols, which you guys can say co-emoji. And then there is a symbol option. Here you guys can pick any sort of symbol that you want and you want to enter it. Simply go ahead and select it. For example, I'm gonna go ahead and use this trademark symbol in my Gmail. So just gonna click on this one and it will be written right here. For example, I'm just gonna go ahead and type in a company name, for example. This is how you guys can use symbols in your Gmail. It is that simple. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel. Take care.